I'm Superman.
I'm Ballerina.
What's your real name?
My name is Teacher Selena.
I'm Teacher Tanya.
Yay!
And we're gonna teach you how to make a rocket ship.
It's really fun.
What do we need?
So you need
You need straws. I'm sure you have straws at home.
and
what else
then
needs it?
don't forget your
Color pencils.
color pencil marker
And some paper.
and paper. Yes,
That's it.
that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to draw the rocket, Tanya.
Okay, this is what we're trying to draw.
Yeah, so first you can draw the circle in the middle here. You can start with circle. Wow, what is this for, Teacher Tanya? It's for the
It's for the
S.
astronauts to see.
Yes, and then you
Right.
can copy. Smaller inside. Wow. Next, we're going to draw this.
The top bit.
Yes, this one is
Body.
the body, a rectangle. Make sure you draw bigger than the circle, okay? One.
Also, the bigger the better.
Yeah, longer. Whoa. And then close it. Ta-da.
Okay.
Now next, what else?
I think that we need to do the top bit.
Yes, what shape is that? The top? Is it triangle? Yes, it's triangle, but it's round here. You can make it pointy or you can make it round. I'm going to make it round a little bit like this, like a hill on the top. And then next, we're going to make more details over here.
Yeah, lots and lots of buttons.
Can we count? 4,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll make 10 over there. How about
Okay.
at the bottom?
Well, no, before that, Teacher Selena,
Yes.
we need the wings.
Oh yes.
How will it fly?
Yeah, of course.
So,
Okay. I'll make a simple shape. I can make triangle like this, down and up. Whoa! Here
you
the
go to
same.
the other side.
Yes, down and up. Wow!
Okay,
Triangle.
looks really cool so far.
And
Then
then what
We
else?
need the bottom bit so that fire can ignite.
That one is zigzag line. You can draw like this, down, up, close it, and then we can make bigger line down here. Longer, down, up, and close. Woof! Whoa!
And that was so quick.
Yes,
that was
see?
so
It's
quick.
easy.
And you can have fun and you can add some other different colors and you can make the fire whatever color you want. You can
Yes.
even put an astronaut in there or
Wow.
yourself or a photo of yourself.
Sure, you can put
Um,
more decoration.
So that's what you could do.
Yes, then after that,
Then after that, you cut it out
cut.
until you're satisfied, and then you get a straw. You stick it behind with a little bit of tape. Here. So this is what you should. You don't have to use a straw. You can use paper, cardboard, but make sure the top bit is sealed off with tape, and then your straw goes inside, and then you just
Blow
Blow
it
it.
as strong
And
as you
that's
can. Or you can use like this.
yeah.
Like
Either way
envelope.
works. Whatever works for you.
Yes.
Yeah. And then you just put it in there, and then
there?
you blow.
3, 2, 1. Yay!
And there you have it. You have all sorts. You can make your favorite hero. You can make a paper plane. You can make
Ballerina fly!
and maybe your whole family can make one, and then you can do some role playing.
Sure!
So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this.
And don't forget to
Tag us
Yeah.
on Instagram, on Facebook.
Kids
Um,
Gallery Hong Kong!
Kids Gallery Hong Kong.
Yay!
And we can't wait to see your designs.
So,
Okay,
see
so
you again!